Good morning to my beautiful students of class 6th. Welcome to another class of English grammar. This is my part 2 video of direct and indirect speech. In this video I will explain you time and place expressions changes. So let's begin, my dear children. Now time and expressions changes. Some examples: indirect speech. He said, I am happy now. And in indirect speech, he said he was happy then. So now we'll change into then. Now we'll see next example, indirect speech. He said, we can meet today. In indirect speech, he said we could meet that day. So today will change into that day. Now next example in time expression changes. Direct speech, he said I will see you tomorrow. Indirect speech, he said that he would see me the next day. So tomorrow will change to the next day. Now next example, he said I called you 2 days ago. And in indirect speech, he said that he had called me before 2 days. So ago will change to before. Now these are some of the time expression changes. Direct speech to indirect speech. Tonight will change into that night. Yesterday will change into the day before. Next week or month will change into the following week or month. Last night or year will change into the previous night. So these were the time expressions changes. Now I will explain you some examples of place expressions changes. Direct speech, he said, I work here. In indirect speech, he said that he worked there. So here will change to there. Now next example for direct speech, he said, I love this place. And indirect speech, he said that he loved that place. So this will change to that. Now next example. He said, I like cities like these. And indirect speech, he said that he liked cities like those. So these will change to those. Now types of commands. Now we'll learn about positive commands. Do your homework, go to school, open the door. So these are positive commands. Negative commands, don't do that, don't go there, don't open the window. Now we'll see the examples of some of the reporting positive commands. Direct command, he said, give me your phone number. Indirect command, he told me, said will change into told me. Give will change into to give. Me will change into him. Your will change to my phone number. So rule, use to plus infinitive. Infinitive means the purpose of an action. Now next example, direct command. He said open the gift. Indirect command, he said will change into told me. Open will change into to open the gift. Rule for this, use to plus infinitive. Next example, for reporting negative command, direct command, he said, don't do that. Now indirect command, he told me. Don't will change it to not to do that. Now use not to and infinitive. Next example, reporting negative commands. Direct command, he said don't go now. Indirect command, he told me. Don't will change to not to go then. Now will change to then. Use not to plus infinitive. So my dear children, this was the explanation. Now note down the given exercise 3 and 4 answers neatly in your English grammar textbook. Paste the page for this. So this was all for today. Goodbye. Thank you all.